We recently brought the lab science program to Richland Center High School through the College Up program at Southwest Tech, and it's a partnership between the Richland Center High School, the CESA organization, and Southwest Tech. So students actually earn college credit while they're in high school taking our college courses. The focus of the program is dairy quality lab testing. So because there's so many cheese manufacturers and butter manufacturers and dairy producers in this part of the state, obviously, they need food quality technicians to test the product all the way through the production cycle, and also to test the environment to make sure there's no pathogens that can get into the food. We feel it's very unique. There's lots of partnerships that involve colleges and high schools, but this one's unique in that we actually provide the teaching within the high school through both online learning modules and face-to-face labs. So what's unique about this is when the students graduate from high school, if they meet the requirements of the college courses, they will also receive a technical diploma. So they will have a college diploma at the same time they have a high school diploma, and they will be workforce ready. There is a practicum or an internship piece at the end of the curriculum, so they actually go into the facility labs and work. So by the time they're done with high school, they're workforce ready with a technical diploma in hand. This program is 16 credits. It's split out among various courses. They're in class from approximately 8:30 until 11:30 each day. They have a combination of online work to do, and then we have face-to-face labs 2 days a week. We changed our curriculum from 30 credits down to 16 credits to make it more manageable. So we are really giving them the nuts and bolts and core of what they need to be successful in the dairy food quality lab. They learn hands-on laboratory skills, how to use glassware, how to use equipment. They also learn microbiological techniques. We do some math units, so they learn the basics of what they need to know to function in a lab.
Well, titratable acidity is right here, and that's really fun. Microscoping, finding like microorganisms. I am furthering my education and becoming an MLT, medical laboratory technician, at Southwest Tech in Fennimore.
I want to go to school for chemistry, and the whole idea of being in a lab, thought that would help me out in my career. Lots of lab skills and lots of procedures and understanding regulations. Mainly titratable acidity because it deals with chemicals, and I like chemistry, and that's a lot to do with chemicals. It's honestly worth it. Sometimes it'll get like difficult because it's college and you're still in high school, but it's worth it.
I worked at LCAM over the summer when I was right when I turned 16, and they have a food safety lab there, so I was kind of interested in that. So I figured taking this course it struck my interest, so I could go back and see if I could work in their lab. I like doing the microscope stuff, like gram staining, seeing all the different bacteria that we can grow. It's really good to get a head start with like college, so you have the basis of college, so you know what it would be like to be in college, but you're still in high school.
My dad and my guidance counselor thought that it'd be something like good for me to try, because I started senior year not really knowing what I wanted to pursue, and I was really thinking the ag industry, so they thought it'd be something fun I could try, and so here I am. I really like doing like gram staining and working with the microscopes, just because I just like seeing all the like cool stuff under it, and it's really actually kind of pretty, so I kind of like that.